Almost everyone travels every day, and almost perch and veg along the wild. Bridges are connecting when between two lands separated from the water body. Do you ever think how the plus survive in the water bodies and construction badge? Bridges are built over water by different methods. First method is used for the bridges for air by entering the low deep water. In low deep water, foundational bridges are laid by the filling the particular locations for a temporary failure. Other which when the soil is not favorable in the top level for constructions for bridge, temporarily when all erected and fillable spot construction takes and tried to the riverbed. Then the bridge can be built either by taking support from the already constructed spouts or by temporary platforms and medium surrounded with water and pour the buggers. Next method is the bridge built of the deep water later leave water body and comfort technology is used to these catches in this method. A wall enclosing an area which built inside water when water construction spans out from the wire. After that, foundations of the bridges is constructed inside. The cover them as the constant caissons as you see a river inside 24 monitoring space record inside the comfortable checks back the water bridge by using this technology is strong and carry heavy load. And the last technology is used or called caisson drilling, which is almost as punch or our most advanced technology. What this technology or technique a watertight and converts water bottle out of pressure. That surface turbine chamber is fitted inside the chamber. After that, a long draining is poured inside the palm and then drilling process started. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all.